What if I told you that one of the most promising and innovative cryptocurrencies is still flying under the radar, waiting for its time to shine? It's called Cardano, and in the world of crypto, it's often referred to as the sleeping giant. But here's the thing, it's waking up, and you need to pay attention. Today we're diving into why Cardano is gaining serious traction, and why it could be the next big thing in the crypto space. Stick around, this is one ride you won't want to miss. So first things first, what exactly is Cardano? If you're new to the world of crypto, you may have heard the name, but don't know much about it. Cardano is a blockchain platform designed to enable smart contracts and decentralized applications, much like Ethereum. But unlike Ethereum, Cardano focuses on solving some of the biggest challenges facing blockchain technology today. Cardano was created by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum, and it's built on a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which sets it apart from Ethereum's proof-of-work model. But why does this matter? It means Cardano is more energy efficient and scalable, two qualities that are becoming more and more important in the crypto space. What sets Cardano apart from other cryptos isn't just its technology, it's its methodical approach. Cardano takes a scientific approach to development, using peer-reviewed research and academic collaboration. The team behind Cardano doesn't just build features, they test them, validate them, and make sure they work before they deploy them. Cardano's blockchain is built in layers, each serving a different purpose. The settlement layer handles transactions, while the computation layer runs smart contracts. This modular approach allows for greater flexibility and security, which is key to Cardano's long-term sustainability. Now, here's the million-dollar question: why is Cardano suddenly gaining so much traction? It's all about timing and execution. Over the past few years, Cardano has been quietly working behind the scenes, and its biggest updates are now coming to life. Let's talk about some of those updates. Alonzo, which was the most recent upgrade to Cardano, introduced smart contracts to the platform. This was a game changer. It means Cardano can now run decentralized apps and enable smart contract functionality, just like Ethereum. But here's the kicker: Cardano aims to do it better, with lower fees, greater scalability, and a more sustainable approach. But what really sets Cardano apart is its real-world use cases. While other blockchains are focused mostly on trading and speculation, Cardano is making real-world moves, particularly in developing countries. Cardano has partnered with countries like Ethiopia to implement blockchain-based solutions in sectors like education and agriculture. In Ethiopia, Cardano is helping build a blockchain-based identity system for millions of students, improving transparency and efficiency in educational records. This is just one example of how Cardano is thinking beyond just finance and trying to create meaningful, real-world impact. This global reach is key to Cardano's potential for growth. If Cardano can continue building partnerships in emerging markets, it could be a game changer in global blockchain adoption. So what's next for Cardano? Let's talk about future developments. One of the most exciting upcoming features is Cardano's plans for scalability. Cardano is working on solutions like Hydra, a Layer 2 scaling protocol which will allow it to process transactions faster and more efficiently, making it a serious competitor to Ethereum and other blockchains. If Cardano can execute on these goals and continually scale its network, it could outpace Ethereum and other smart contract platforms, especially as Ethereum struggles with scalability and high gas fees. Now, it's important to note that Cardano's success isn't just about technology, it's about its community and ecosystem. Cardano's strong community of developers, researchers, and supporters is constantly pushing the platform forward. This grassroots movement is a huge part of its long-term success. With a passionate and dedicated following, Cardano is poised to gain even more momentum. It's not just about what Cardano does, it's about the people who believe in it and are working together to make its vision a reality. As Cardano grows, the question on everyone's mind is, can it overtake Ethereum? Ethereum, with its massive ecosystem and widespread adoption, has a head start. But Cardano has been built with scalability, sustainability, and low fees in mind, something Ethereum has struggled with. While Ethereum is working on its Ethereum 2 upgrade, which focuses on moving to a proof-of-stake system and improving scalability, Cardano has already implemented these features successfully. If Cardano continues its rapid development, it may be positioned to capitalize on Ethereum's growing pains. Now, the big question: should you invest in Cardano? While no one can predict the future of any cryptocurrency, Cardano has demonstrated a long-term vision and a solid roadmap for scaling and global adoption. Its commitment to sustainability, its growing ecosystem, and its real-world use cases make it a standout in the crowded crypto space. If you're looking for a crypto project with real utility, a scientific approach, and a strong global reach, Cardano could be the perfect fit. As always, do your own research and invest wisely, but remember, Cardano could very well be the sleeping giant of crypto, and when it wakes up, the potential could be massive. So, what do you think? Is Cardano the future of crypto? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's talk about it. And if you found this video insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto.